What's good? Welcome back to the channel. This is King's Diecast and Figures. I'm Scott, and we have another Hot Wheels opening, unboxing, whatever you call it, opening, discolored blister from the 2000 Hot Wheels line, number 154. There's the back, same stuff, HotWheels.com. 24 years old. We have a Corvette Stingray. Yep, gonna keep the card. Just gonna get rid of this plastic. Whoop, cut it. Ooh, it looks much better out of the pack. Look at that. Look at the wheels. It's a blue with some kind of like flames up and down the sides. No tail lights, no headlights. That would be great for a custom. Metal base. I don't know, plastic body maybe. Got a black windows. Check out those wheels though. Seems fast. So that is a Corvette Stingray from 2000 Hot Wheels. Get a good look. Alright, subscribe if you haven't. Watch my other stuff. Like, share. Lots of shorts coming. This is the video for today. October 1st. There'll be another one tomorrow. Yeah, I skipped yesterday. Sorry. Alright, so subscribe. Have a great day. Later.